Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make character jump. We will disable the character's movement along the y-axis from the previous part so that we can control the character's jump. Create a player jump script. Initialize the jump force variable. Initialize the isGround variable to check whether the player is standing on the ground. The player can only jump if they are on the ground. I will use Unity's add force function to make the player jump. In this case, new vector 20 jump force is the force vector you apply, and it only affects the y-axis. Force mode 2d.impulse means the force is applied instantly within a single frame. This function is used to check whether the player is standing on the ground or not. Create a tag named ground and assign it to the ground object. Add the player jump script to the player object. Adjust the gravity scale so that the player can jump higher and fall down more slowly. We can use another function instead of add force to make the player jump. With RB add force, advantages fully complies with the physics system. Easy to combine with other forces, gravity, collisions, knockback, etc. Disadvantages, jump height is affected by mass. Hard to control the exact jump height if you want it fixed. With RB velocity, advantages, precise control over jump velocity independent of mass. Simple and predictable. Disadvantages, not physically natural, since you directly override the velocity instead of applying force. If not careful, it can overwrite the horizontal x velocity. Therefore, you need to keep RB velocity.x. So, when should you use each one? Use add force if you want physics-based gameplay with a more realistic feel, for example, the character being affected by mass, knockback, wind force, etc. Use velocity if you want simple and easy control, with jump height exactly matching the value you set, unaffected by other factors.